Hi babes, welcome. So let us assume these are two lines on which you want to make crisscross braids. So depending on how many times you want to crisscross, that's the number of times you're going to have these sections going across, forming rows. So I am going to have 3 sections, like 3 boxes, and I am going to crisscross like 3 times. So if you want 5 crisscross, you're going to have 5 sections. So I am braiding from the right hand side on the first row into the left hand side on the second row, then I would go to the right hand side on the third row, then the left hand side on the fourth row. So you interchange that way continuously. Try to reach almost the end of each box before you try to cross over to the opposite bottom section. This is going to help you have a more robust rounded crisscross. But if you choose to make it like you braid towards the inner part and then cross over before you even get to the end of each box, it is going to give you a different type of crisscross, the one that looks almost like 2 close lines. I wanted mine to be robust and kind of exaggerated for you to see what I am doing. So you see I braid straight down to the end of the first box before I start trying to go into through the angle. Can you see I went into the second box through the pointed tip at the top left hand corner.